The GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC 2026 edition is built for users who need powerful desktop performance in a compact and professional design. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Powered by the Intel 13th Gen Core i9-13900HK processor, this mini PC delivers fast and reliable performance for home offices, business tasks, multitasking, and creative workloads without taking up much space on your desk. It comes with 16 GB of standard DDR4 RAM, not LPDDR, which means better upgrade flexibility and stable performance for demanding applications. The 1TB NVMe SSD provides ultra-fast boot times, quick file transfers, and smooth app launches, and you can expand the storage later if needed, making it a future-ready system. Despite its small size, it supports stunning 8K UHD output, perfect for high-resolution displays, media playback, and professional presentations. With USB4 ports, you get fast data transfer and support for modern peripherals and docking solutions, while Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 ensure fast, stable wireless connectivity. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, offering advanced security and productivity features for home and business users, along with efficient cooling for quiet and consistent performance. Overall, the GEEKOM IT13 Mini PC 2026 edition is a compact yet powerful desktop solution for professionals who want speed, connectivity, and upgrade potential in a sleek mini PC design. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.